8.4, good. You get the final answer there to be 8.4. And you've dealt with that given the integral 1 to 4 of square root of 5x minus 4dx. So if you look at this, if you differentiate what is inside the square root, you get a constant, meaning you can use algebraic substitution, okay? If you are able to get the derivative of what is inside any root to be a constant, then that is automatically algebraic substitution. So you let u to be equals to 5x minus 4, isn't it? So if you differentiate u with respect to x, you get, if you differentiate 5x, you get 5. If you differentiate a constant, you get 0, isn't it? Yes. You take 5x the other side, you get du is equals to 5d dx. Then you go and substitute. You have limits you will only put at the end of the process, okay? So you have the integral of 5x minus 4 dx. This one is equals to square root of, square root means raised to power half, isn't it? Then 5x minus 4, you say is u. Are you seeing that? Are we together? Then dx, you found to be, what is dx? So you divide both sides by 5. Senor, this implies dx is 1 over 5d. So you divide both sides by 5 to get dx. Okay? 1 over 5 du. So 1 over 5 is a constant, you factorize outside, and then you put du inside, isn't it? So from there it means this is a case of a polynomial u raised to power n. You add 1 to the power and you divide with the resultant power. So this one is equals to 1 over 5 into u raised to power half plus 1, then you divide by half plus 1, isn't it? Are we together? Then we go back and substitute. So we have our problem is 5x like that to be equals to, substitute back the original problem. A half plus 1 is 3 over 2. A half plus 1 is 3 over 3 over 2. Are we together there? So start 1 over 5 divided by 3 over 2. You get 2 over 15 into u. What is u? U is 5x minus. So u is 5x minus 4. Then it is raised to power 3 over 2. Then you put your limits of integration now. You are integrating from 1 to 4. So you see where there is u, I'm not putting limits because I don't want to change the limits, isn't it? Because remember, when x is 1, u is supposed to be 5 times 1 minus 4, meaning u is also supposed to be 1. When x is 4, u is 5 times 4, 20 minus 4, u is 16. So that is why I don't put the limits where there is u. I wait until I reach the final answer when it is back to the original problem. Are you getting that? Are we together? You wait until you are back to the original problem is when you put the limits, okay? So your limits here is 1 to 4. So can you start substituting that? So here you have 2 over 15 is outside, inside the bracket upper limit, when x is 4, that is 20 minus 4, is 16 raised to power 3 over 2 minus, when x is 1, that is 5 minus 4 is 1 raised to power 3 over 2, because u is raised to power 3 over 2, isn't it? Are we together? What do you get if you substitute the limits? What do you get if you substitute the limit? Or let me use this bracket to avoid, to make it look neat. You get that, isn't it? Where there is x, when you put 4 is 20 minus 4, 16 raised to power 3 over 2. Then minus lower limit, when x is 1, 5 minus 4, you get 1 raised to power 3 over 2. Then outside, the whole of it, outside is having 2 over 15, isn't it? So what do you have there?